The Blackmagic design DeckLink Mini Monitor is a compact PCI Express playback card that delivers clean, professional video output straight from your editing timeline. Its dedicated 3 gigabit per second SDI and HDMI connections make it easy to feed both broadcast monitors and standard televisions without extra converters. Support for uncompressed 10-bit video gives this card excellent image fidelity, which is noticeable when you are grading or doing detailed compositing work. Automatic switching between standard definition and high definition formats means it happily handles a wide range of delivery standards in mixed workflows. The included full height and low profile brackets let the card fit neatly into both traditional workstations and space-saving small form factor systems. Cross-platform drivers for Mac, Windows, and Linux provide broad compatibility with popular post-production software, making it simple to drop into existing pipelines.